I am only the general. I send out my order. My mission should have accomplished. Sorry, boss. Bad news, I failed the mission. The good news, Jelly Bean and Jellyface know that I am coming for them. Well, boss, want me go for them? Sorry, boss. It will never happen again. Mr. Dead, don't let this fucking shit happen again.